People online say one meeting, the Council of Nicaea, created the Bible and rewrote Christianity. But the surviving records tell a different story. So what did Nicaea actually decide in 325 AD, and what did it not decide? In the next 10 minutes, we'll cover three things: what Nicaea was, what it decided, and why the idea that it created the Bible doesn't match the evidence. By the early 300s, Christianity had grown across the Roman Empire. But Christians were divided over a major theological dispute, especially about who Jesus is in relation to God the Father. Emperor Constantine wanted unity in the empire, and he supported calling a council of bishops to settle the conflict. The central issue at Nicaea is often summarized through the controversy associated with Arius. The debate focused on whether the Son was fully divine in the same way as the Father, or a created being. The council produced what became known as the Nicene Creed, using language meant to define the Son as truly divine, of one substance with the Father. They also issued administrative church rules, often called canons, and worked on issues like the dating of Easter. Now here's the viral claim that Nicaea chose which books go in the Bible and removed the rest. Based on surviving sources about the council, Nicaea is not known as the moment the Bible canon was officially created. The idea of Christian scripture existed long before 325. Many churches were already reading the Gospels and letters of Paul as authoritative texts generations earlier. But the exact boundaries of the New Testament were discussed over time, because different communities used some books more widely than others. One important milestone is a list from Athanasius in his Festal letter of 367 AD, which names the 27-book New Testament.